Hey y'all, so we're getting ready to look at our pH lab for the summative, the one-on-one summative. Just want to go over what you will see at your station. So we will have an acid. This acid will not be marked acid. We'll be having some kind of weird name on it. That's going to be our unknown sample ID. There will be 6 different samples at 6 different stations. So, everybody will be doing one different. Okay, we also have right here, we're going to have our 1 molar NaOH. This is our base. We know this is our titrate. We know the concentration of that. We have a graduated cylinder, funnel, burette, right? Erlenmeyer flask, deionized, whoop, getting crazy, deionized water with a pipette, calculator, and a pencil. So what you're going to do is you're going to be tasked with identifying the ID of the acid, or the concentration of the acid, by doing a titration. So the acid, you're going to use 30 milliliters of your acid, goes in your flask. You'll fill up the burette with our NaOH. You will need to get the phenolphthalein will be in the center of the lab station. So grab your phenolphthalein, add 2 drops into our flask there, and then do your titration. And then you'll do the M1V1 equals M2V2 math at the end to identify the concentration of our acid. We know the concentration of the base. We know how much of the base you're going to use. You know how much of the acid you're going to use. Use those things to find the concentration of your of the acid. All right. Good luck.